Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Molly to Shopify. Now, to add Molly to your Shopify store, what I want you to first do is head over to your dashboard and then come here at the bottom left, click on settings. And once you are on your store settings, on the left-hand panel, I want you to come here to the payments section. Now, here under payments, we can click here on choose a provider. And you can go ahead and choose different providers. So click here, and depending on your country, you'll see the different providers available. What you can do is you can just search up Molly right here, a third-party payment provider. And depending on your region, it should show up for you. It will not show up in my region, but you can just come here, search up Molly, and then add that to your store as a payment method. Okay, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.